Are you constantly asking yourself how to stop snoring, or how to get a deep, restful sleep? You're not alone. Snoring is more than just a nightly noise. It's a sign that your body's respiratory system isn't functioning optimally. This common problem can lead to a host of health issues, from chronic fatigue and headaches to more serious conditions like sleep apnea and a strain on your heart. But what if you could find a safe, simple, and effective anti-snoring product to finally get the peaceful night's sleep you've been dreaming of? Snoring is a signal that your body is struggling to breathe freely during sleep. The vibration of soft tissues in your throat creates that all too familiar sound. But the real danger lies in what's happening internally. Ignoring snoring can lead to a variety of serious health problems, including sleep disorders that lead to chronic fatigue, hypoxia or a lack of oxygen in the blood, and dangerous breathing pauses known as sleep apnea, which strain the heart. Additionally, poor sleep quality from snoring can result in recurrent headaches and make weight management difficult. Many people searching for a snoring remedy have tried uncomfortable nose clips or patches, or have even considered risky surgical procedures. But there's a better way to address the problem. Introducing Snoran Plus, a natural anti-snoring product that targets the root causes of snoring. These convenient, easy-to-take capsules are packed with powerful plant extracts that work together to improve your breathing and soothe your airways. It's the best non-invasive method for better sleep. Snoran Plus uses a blend of natural ingredients to combat snoring. The formula includes peppermint leaf extract and eucalyptus leaf extract to reduce inflammation and irritation in your airways, making it easier to breathe. Lemon balm leaf extract soothes your throat and promotes restful sleep, while golden seal root extract and powdered thyme work to cleanse your respiratory tract and improve airflow. Additionally, marshmallow root extract is included to help reduce coughing. Experts agree that Snoran Plus works by addressing the underlying causes of snoring. Its natural extracts soothe inflammation in the nasal mucosa and improve airflow, which in turn reduces the problem. Studies have even proven its effectiveness, making it a widely recommended product for snoring. Forget invasive procedures and uncomfortable devices. Snoran Plus offers a simple, safe solution to a complex problem. With just 2 capsules a day, taken 30 minutes before a meal, you can start seeing results as soon as your very first night. Plus, with a 90-day money-back guarantee, you have nothing to lose except your